2025 Honda S2000.
The 2025 Honda S2000 is finally here, and it's everything we hoped for. Honda has brought back the iconic Roadster, blending the timeless charm of the original with cutting-edge technology and design. Today, we'll take you through every detail of this stunning machine, from its meticulously crafted interior to its dynamic exterior, exhilarating performance, and competitive pricing. Let's dive into what makes the 2025 S2000 a true driver's car. The first thing you notice is its bold, modernized design that still pays homage to the classic S2000. The elongated hood and short rear deck remain intact, giving it that quintessential roadster profile. Honda's designers have incorporated sharp, angular lines along the body, which make the car look aggressive yet elegant. At the front, the LED headlights are narrow and striking, paired with an updated grille that enhances airflow. The large air intakes below hint at the car's performance potential. It sits low to the ground, with a wide stance that screams confidence. Around the back, you'll find sleek LED taillights and a subtle rear diffuser that improves aerodynamics. Dual exhaust outlets complete the sporty look. The new color options, including a striking electric blue metallic, perfectly complement the car's design language. The 2025 S2000 comes with 19-inch alloy wheels as standard, featuring an intricate design that not only looks stunning but also improves cooling for the brakes. Wrapped in high-performance tires, these wheels provide excellent grip whether you're carving up mountain roads or enjoying a spirited drive on the track. Step inside, and you're greeted by a driver-focused cockpit that combines luxury with functionality. Honda has gone all out with premium materials, offering a mix of soft leather, brushed aluminum, and carbon fiber accents throughout the cabin. The seats are sporty yet comfortable, designed to keep you firmly in place during aggressive cornering. They're also heated and ventilated, making the car suitable for all seasons. The new 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, providing real-time performance data and navigation instructions. In the center, you'll find a crisp 10.1-inch touchscreen that runs Honda's latest infotainment system. It's intuitive and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can stay connected on the go. There's even a wireless charging pad and multiple USB-C ports for added convenience. The flat-bottom steering wheel is wrapped in perforated leather, giving it a premium feel. It houses tactile buttons for controlling audio, cruise settings, and the drive modes. Speaking of drive modes, the S2000 offers 3: Comfort, Sport, and Track. Each mode adjusts the throttle response, suspension stiffness, and steering weight to match your driving style. Purists will rejoice at the 6-speed manual transmission, which offers short, precise throws for an engaging driving experience. However, for those who prefer convenience, Honda also offers an optional 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. The aluminum pedals are perfectly positioned for heel-toe shifting, emphasizing the car's commitment to driving pleasure. Under the hood lies the heart of the 2025 S2000, a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine that produces an impressive 315 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. Thanks to Honda's VTEC technology and lightweight construction, the engine revs freely and delivers exhilarating performance. The power is sent to the rear wheels, ensuring that classic roadster feel. 0 to 60 miles per hour comes in just 4.5 seconds, and the car has a top speed of 155 miles per hour. What truly sets the S2000 apart is its handling. The chassis is incredibly stiff, yet the suspension offers the perfect balance between comfort and agility. The adaptive dampers adjust in real time, ensuring optimal grip and stability in any condition. The electric power steering is sharp and communicative, making it a joy to tackle corners with precision. Whether you're on a scenic cruise or pushing the car to its limits, the S2000 feels perfectly in tune with the driver. Despite being a compact roadster, Honda has managed to offer decent practicality. The trunk provides enough room for a weekend getaway or a couple of bags, and the cabin features smart storage compartments for smaller items. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2025 Honda S2000 starts at a competitive $42,000 for the base model with the manual transmission. Opting for the automatic or adding extras like premium audio, upgraded wheels, or advanced safety features will push the price closer to $50,000. Given the level of performance, luxury, and heritage on offer, the S2000 delivers excellent value for its class. To wrap things up, the 2025 Honda S2000 is more than just a car, it's an experience. Honda has taken everything we loved about the original and elevated it to meet modern standards. With its stunning design, exhilarating performance, and attention to detail, the S2000 is a dream come true for enthusiasts and casual drivers alike. If you're in the market for a roadster that offers the perfect blend of nostalgia and innovation, the new S2000 deserves a spot at the top of your list. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews. The music fades out as the video